Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're doing well today. I'm back, guys. Before we get started, though, go ahead and do me a favor and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, I'm back. Today, I am back to talk about Supreme Profit System. You haven't seen me speak on that in a while, I know. But guess what? When you set up systems and you put things in place and you have tools, people will come. They will watch, continue to watch, be on your subscriber list, and all those different things. And eventually when people decide, they will make a move. Okay, so I haven't talked about it in a while, but in the background things have been working, and I've been working a lot of other projects. And as I said, every time I get a commission, I don't come out and talk about it, okay? Because I think I've shown enough proof that these type of systems do work. But I thought I would come out. I haven't talked about this one in a while, and let's talk about Supreme Profit System. It is a high ticket program. This one was created also by WTM Pub. Eric Pantalone is the owner of the company. And the page we're looking at right now is the website. Okay, you're going to get your own website as well. You'll be assigned to. And this is what it looks like. So it's high ticket. You are able to make $1,000 commissions with this one. A pop. Okay, but not just one level, but 2 levels. That's what's crazy about it. Okay, you get some leverage with this. So that means that when people sign up with you, okay, your name is going to be on their postcard, well, on their website, because you get a website. Your name is going to be number 2 on that website. So when people decide to join, they're going to send you $1,000, and they're going to send the person that referred them $1,000. So 2 tiers. Okay, so you have a team of people working for you in this program with the 2 tiers. Okay, so this is the website that we all get, and it basically explains everything. You just read over it, take your time, read over it. It shows how it works. It shows you the income potential. There's no guarantee of income with any program you join. Okay, we cannot say, hey, I guarantee you're going to make a sale, or I guarantee you're going to make this amount. It's all on your efforts. Okay, this is you. We don't know what your work ethics are. Are you going to work the business? Are you going to do what's required to be committed? So this is just income potential. They give you this little illustration right here. Okay, but you can do the math. I mean, you make $1,000 a sale. So do the work and it will reward you. That's just the way it goes, just in life in general, right? You got to do some work. All right, so it comes with what they call the Power Pack. That's another thing that WTM does. Okay, so after every 5th sale, WTM is going to give you the Power Pack. Okay, they're going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps after every 5th sale. Okay, so that right there alone, that bonus is, yeah, it sells itself. Okay, who wouldn't want to get 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps over and over and over and over after every 5th sale? Okay, so that's a bonus that the company is going to give you. It has nothing to do with me. This is what they're going to do for you. Now, when you join me in the program, what I'm going to do is send you 1,000 leads on pill and stick labels of targeted people that you can mail your postcards to. This program comes with 1,000 postcards. The company is going to send you in the mail 1,000 postcards, and they look like this. While I'm talking, I might as well show you the card. This is the card. You can see it here. And then on the back, this is how it looks. This is what your prospects, this is when they get it out the mail, it's going to be on this side, because this is where the stamp is going to go and your label is going to go in this white area here. Okay, and they have this 24-hour sizzle number, which is pretty cool too. So people can call this number, they listen to it. It's a great little sizzle call. Okay, it kind of explains the program as well. It's on the back and it's on this side. It's on this side too. And your link is going to be here. The company is going to assign you your own personal link. Okay, so this is the card in full color, front and back, glossy. Okay, This is very great card stock. Place where I get these cards. We get a good quality card, and we get them at a great price. So reach out to me. Well, matter of fact, when you join, I'll send you a welcome email, and it will have that link included in the email. Okay, so let's continue. So you get that power pack. Okay, let me just follow through this, guys. Just check this out at your leisure, because it's very detailed. A lot of information is in here, so you want to just read it carefully. And let's go down. I think there's a FAQ in here too. We'll get to it in a second, but right here it tells you what's included. Everything is right here on this website. The Ultimate Mail Order CD-ROM, a Mail Order Black Belt Success Manual, 101 Ways to Improve Direct Mail Response, a mailing list directory, access to the One Print and Mail Company. If you want a company that will do all the printing, put the labels on them and all that, we have that for you as well. If you don't want to be bothered with any of that, get the all-in-one printing company. Your personalized marketing postcard. You're going to get your master copy of this. Okay, so that way you can get these printed as often as you like. Your free website, your 1,000 postcards, which I just mentioned, the automatic enrollment to get the 500 bonus power pack. Okay, so you get a lot of good stuff in the kit. So you're going to get a kit in the mail, and then about a week or so later, your 1,000 postcards will arrive from the company. Okay, and then of course I will be mailing you 1,000 peel and stick label leads. Okay, so all that's on here. All right, you just keep reading through this stuff. There's Eric. He owns the company. You can always reach him via email. I've emailed him before, and he responds to me. He gets a lot of emails, so just give him a little time to get back with you. So as you can see, I'm on the website. Right as you come down, it even shows you who's in dealer 1 and who's in dealer 2. So I'm in dealer 1, then he's in dealer 2 because he's the one that referred me to the program. So it tells you who to make your money orders out to. By the way, this is via money order. So you're going to make the money order out to each person, and then you're going to mail them in. So you got your 1,000 there, your 1,000, and your 350. So that's 2,350 total for this program. You want to mail this stuff priority so that you can track it and know when it gets to their office out there. Okay, and you click this button here to print out your order form right here. Okay, so you're going to go to the link. Then you print this out, fill it out, make sure it's legible, because they need to read where they need to send your commissions, where they need to send your kit, where they're going to send your 500 bonus every 5th sale. Your address needs to be legible. If they can't read it, how are they going to mail you your information? You need to put your name, your email. Okay, I can't tell you how many times Eric has emailed me and say, hey, we received a commission, or you received a commission. This person didn't even put their phone number in their email. And he's asking me, did they reach out to you? So luckily for me, a lot of times with me having my capture page system and people are putting in the correct information, I'm able to go back and say, reach out to the person and say, hey, the company's trying to reach you so that they can mail you your kit. You didn't put your address. You didn't put your phone number. Nothing. So guys, please put your name and email. That's for your benefit. It's not that nobody's going to be reaching out to you, bugging you about anything. This is to help them reach out to you. So make sure that stuff is legible. All right. So that's the website. You're going to get this website. So that's what's going to be on the card. So when people get the card, they're going to click that button, go here, and this is what they're going to see. And it'll have your name and number. And I recommend put your number there, guys, because somebody may have a question. Right here. And that could be the determining factor whether they sign up or not. There's no way to reach anybody because Eric doesn't just answer his phone. He's busy. Okay. So you are the main contact. Okay. So you want to be reached. Trust me. Why would you leave money on the table? I don't understand that. But people are running from their commissions, because I can't tell you how many times people have called me and said, oh my God, you answered the phone or you returned my call. I was trying to reach somebody to make sure this is a real business, that I can reach somebody, right? That makes sense. So put your number on there. He's going to ask you on the order form, do you want your number on there? If you say no, who are they going to call? Yes, My number is going to be on it. Luckily for you. Okay, that's the other thing. My name and number will be there, so people will call. Hey, I tried to reach the other person, or they didn't have a number, so I'm calling you. So I will close the sale for us. Okay, so that's a good thing. But however, you want to put that number on there. Okay. All right, guys. So that's how that goes. But anyway, we got this. I want to show you this commissions that's in here. Okay. The person has reached out to me. I've been busy with my mother programs, and I said, hey, I have received it, and we will, Eric will get all the information over to you. And matter of fact, I've already mailed them their leads. Okay. Even this hadn't even been open yet. All right. Because Eric has confirmed that he was trying to reach out to get some other information for this person. And so I know it was already on the way. As well as you'll have me as your one-on-one ongoing support. If you have questions, you'll be able to reach me after you join. I don't disappear. So I will be here for you for support. So with that being said, let's go check this out. Go to the website, www.ezmailboxincome.com. Get started if you're interested in offline marketing and the high ticket commissions, $1,000 commissions coming in. All right, so let's take a look at this thing. I need scissors. Hang on a second. All right, we're back. Got our handy dandies. All right, so let's see what we got here. I'm gonna cut. Don't want to cut this. All right, so let's see. But offline marketing is perfect, especially for a newbie, someone that doesn't want to deal with the online marketing. They don't want to learn the how-tos, anything about social media, any of that. So we have a way you can market using direct mail. Okay. All right. So here we have it. I'm going to cover up this person's information as well as this routing number at the bottom here. All right, guys, let's do this. All right, let's cover this up. Hang on a second here. I'm going to put this over this so that we don't show this guy's stuff. All right, we're going to welcome Mr. James. All right, here we go. All right, Supreme Profit System, guys. High ticket. If you want high ticket commissions, this is a way to do it offline. Of course, I have other programs where you can market online and make $1,000 commissions or $2,000 commissions. But this is for offline marketing. All right, and let me show you his show you the name. Okay, I'm gonna cover up his last name. I'm just gonna show you right here. If I can get this to move over. Okay, right here, James. See, it tells you Supreme Profit. This little sheet comes, whatever program WTM has that you're getting a commission from, they tell you which program. So this is Supreme Profit. Right here has the person's name. There it is. Okay. And then once again, we're going to cover this up, and I'm going to show you without the routing numbers. Okay? Where's that camera? Right there. All right? So this thing does work if you do the work. We have to market. All these programs will work, but it takes consistency, persistence, never quitting attitude to know that it's going to work, and just do the work. Mailing. There's millions of people out there. We have targeted list of people that's interested. These aren't random people, so you send your postcards out. Okay. All right, send the postcards. There we are. Send the postcards out, and if people are interested, they'll call you. They may ask you a few questions, and they'll sign up. You have to remember, a lot of times people save up the money before they get started, and then here they come. All right. So with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Look forward to working with you in Supreme Profit System. Don't forget, you will get 1,000 leads if you join me in this program. Go check it out, www.ezmailboxincome.com. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification